Hey guys, this is Matt with Chrome Donkey here. I just wanted to do a real quick video around the Synergy track bar and sector shaft brace installation. Obviously this isn't going to be an install video. We're in the Jeep cruising. This is more of a review video. Guys, if you have any issues with your steering wheel being a little loose, having a little extra play, just like one of my buddies told me, this mod makes all the difference in the world. And what I want to try to do this safely, is capture a little bit of what I'm talking about. And I wish that I would have gotten a before so you guys could see how much course correcting that I had to do. And just for, you know, a reference sake, this is a 2020 Gladiator Rubicon. But if I try to scoot back a little bit and give you guys the horizon, right? So here's my hand on the wheel, and I've got the, as far as so you guys know what I've got steering wise, I've got the Steersmart XD Yeti series up front. So it's the entire Yeti series that comes with the Griffin Attenuator, I don't know how the hell you say that word, but basically that little Griffin shock that is part of your drag link. And then I also have their tie rod, and the adjustable track bar was provided by the lift kit, which is Skyjacker. So those are really the three main pieces that I've got going on with steering. And then on top of that, I've got the Falcon adjustable steering stabilizer. But I don't know if you guys can catch this, but I mean, I'm not doing any course correcting virtually at all in this Jeep. And I mean, before, and you know what I think was happening before, we all know, if you've done any research for more than 5 minutes, the steering box would actually move ever so slightly on the frame rail, and it was just a little bit of extra play. And I think that was just amplified, you know, when it traveled all the way up the linkages to your actual steering wheel. But here's also what I think was happening. Of course, I don't have any proof of this, but I feel like what was happening is the side-to-side motion of your Jeep in general, whether it's terrain, whether it's wind, you know, just natural issues on the road that you're on, whatever the case is, that would generally try to push your Jeep, you know, side to side while you're going down the road. I feel like that was the main culprit in this, because the steering wheel wouldn't move, yet the Jeep would start wandering, right? And I know you're always going to have a little bit of wander in a live axle, but this absolutely stiffened this up. And it's probably hard to tell in the video, but literally, if I turn this wheel right, I go right. If I turn it left ever so slightly, I go left. You know, I would estimate before this mod, I probably had 2 good inches where I could move the wheel back and forth and literally nothing would happen at highway speeds, which is just terrifying. Now I would estimate that's cut down to probably 1/2 inch to 1 inch maximum. So literally this one bracket cut that issue in half or more with regards to play in the steering wheel, and the actual feel is 100% night and day difference. So highly encourage you guys to get on this mod ASAP. They're kind of hard to find in stock right now. You know, this is again Synergy track bar and sector shaft brace for the JLJT. I got mine from Poly Performance. I'm going to try to leave a link in the description, and I know they just raised the price to $250 because it was $200, and you know, rightfully so, and it's worth every penny in my opinion. So make sure, if you haven't already, like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I publish new content. Stay tuned for more great videos. Stay safe, take care, and have a fantastic day.